Hey random travelers, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new here, welcome to you as well. So in this episode, I'd like to share what I have learned from watching ThinkMedia, Annie Dube, and Cathryn Manning on how to grow in YouTube in 2021. Like a good and strong foundation, it keeps the building standing and its occupants safe during calamities. For me, same thing applies if we are really serious in seeing growth in our channel. We also need to build a good and strong foundation by asking ourselves the why, how, and what question. Let us ask ourselves, what kind of video I want to create consistently? To help us better answer this question, these influencers have 3 pro tips for us. Number 1, think of at least 3 main topics or niche that you are interested to make videos about. And also, who will be your target audience for this type of content or for your channel? Yep, and that's how fishing goes. Number 2, focus on creating contents that are valuable, because us people, we like to hear stories that are informative, inspiring, and entertaining. Number 3, on every video we make, we have to ask ourselves, what is the goal or the purpose for this video? In my channel, I want to focus on creating devotional videos and use the videos I capture in my travel or while we're out doing outdoor activities that we love. We love to fish, camp, and hike, and I also love to make YouTube videos. For example, today, I took you guys along on our fishing trip and make usable content out of it. So now that we know what type of videos we want to create, the next question is how? How can we stand out from other channels that's creating the same contents as us? Again, the waves. That's how fishing is. And secondly, how can we make people subscribe to us? Here's a pro tip from a pro. Get video ideas from your favorite YouTuber, or from the videos you love to watch, or whatever's trending at the moment. But you have to ask yourself, how can I add a twist that is uniquely mine? I want to quote Oscar Wilde, "Be yourself. Everyone else is taken already." And before I continue, let me throw this and hopefully we'll catch some sturgeon.
Mabigat. Oh, baby sturgeon. Baby sturgeon. Good job, babe.
Oh,
That's a different kind. It's a different kind.
One.
Yeah, those are rare, me.
Let go. Alright, ready?
I'll quote myself from my previous video. This is no longer your typical travel channel, for in every video I'll upload, you'll get to know Jesus one scripture at a time. Oh hey guys, it's the next day. Unfortunately, I was not able to finish filming on the boat, so we're continuing on today while I take you on a hike here at Newell Open Space Preserve Trail here in American Canyon. We should ask ourselves the why question. Why do you want to start a YouTube channel? Or why should you put in the work, your time, and energy on it? I really encourage you to reflect on this question because it could be eye-opening. My why is to create videos where I can inspire others to strengthen their faith through reading the Bible. Because I know how powerful God's words if taken to the heart. I want to share valuable information I learned in my travels, which hopefully will be useful to others. It's for me and Eric's entertainment, where we can relive our wonderful experiences by watching our videos on a Saturday night over wine and snacks. And of course, to be transparent, I still hope to live by that YouTube slogan, get paid while doing the things you love. I want to quote Vincent van Gogh, "What would life be if we had no courage to attempt anything?" T.S. Eliot said, "Only those who will risk going too far can possibly find how far one can go." Commit to consistency. How many videos can you realistically upload consistently? For example, how many videos in a week? What day are you going to upload? Because YouTube algorithm will sense that you're being consistent and they will push your videos. Make searchable content or trending videos, but not just a clickbait. You really have to make content that is related to it, which is also related to your channel. For example, this video that I'm making, I'm not a tutorial channel, but I can still make this type of videos, but I am being transparent that I am only sharing what I have learned from watching this strategic type of videos on how to grow your YouTube channel. And it's a brilliant way for me to introduce my channel to my viewers, for them to know what type of videos they're gonna see on this channel. Familiarize yourself with YouTube SEO algorithm. Basically what it is, if you do this right, your video will have a higher chance to rank on search. So the main thing here is that your title, it should be audible on your video. Your title should be on your description and as well as on your tags. Utilize your other social media platform. For example, if you have Facebook or IG, then post your videos there too. And don't forget to hashtag it right. Join Facebook group that is related on what your channel is about and post your videos there. You know, you share information to them. At the same time, if they like it, they might subscribe to you. And the views count too, even if they don't subscribe. Set up your YouTube channel right. And there's a lot of tutorial on how to do this. For example, put your banner on how can you put in your IG and Facebook link. And actually, I'm due to update mine. Work on your title, thumbnail, and tags. These are important because you might have a good content, but if your title and your thumbnail is not interesting, people might not click on your video. So even if you have good content, it will be useless if they're not gonna be able to click on that video and hear it. Learn how to read your YouTube analytics. Even me, I'm still learning on how to do it. Basically, your YouTube analytics will tell you how your channel or your video is performing. And it tells you a lot of information that will really help you grow your YouTube channel. How to make money on YouTube should be our priority probably later on. But for now, let's focus on getting monetized. And that is, we need to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of view time in the last 12 months. That's how you get monetized in YouTube. All right, guys, I hope you liked this episode today. And if you do, please hit that like and subscribe button. And we're gonna see you again every Tuesday and Friday. So if you like any travel related contents with devotional B-rolls, make sure you hit that notification bell so you won't miss an episode. All right, bye.